Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today is almost 5 months since the great Western North Carolina floods, and we are here in Hot Springs, North Carolina. Miss Debbie and I came here to dip into Hot Springs back a few years ago, and I'll include some of the before footage in this video, but we are here today to see what Hot Springs looks like 5 months, almost 5 months after a flood. And we'll get started right after this station identification. There is I think the French Broad River right over there, and the Hot Springs Resort Spa is right over there, but they've got it closed off, so we can't go down now. But that's where the hot springs actually were. And this is the Hot Springs office and spa. In a few minutes we'll be going to our cabana. Right over in that direction, that's where the historic bathhouses were. Over here.
That is where the old bathhouse was. That is our warm spring. That's where we have 16 tubs originally. Half of them was for women's, half.
This is a part of the foundation from the original hotel. They say that people from all over the world came to stay at this hotel and to receive the springs healing waters. There was on staff a French chef, and they say that the food could not be beat anywhere. You see the rubble over to the right. That is actually where the hot tubs were that Miss Debbie and I got in and enjoyed that hot spring water, which is pumped through a pipe up the hill in that direction.
Alright, well the white button will turn your jets on and off, and then we knock 5 minutes before your time is up. Okay. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Right here is our cabana. So we're looking at the river. Well, let's get in the water. The big Grand Hotel used to sit there. Of course, it's been gone probably for almost 100 years. The back side of the Hot Springs Resort. The little cabana that Debbie and I were in was right on that point, and there's nothing there but sand now. You see where they're all washed up all down in that direction now. This was heavy, thick underbrush, woods, and now it actually looks like a blast zone. This is the little village of Hot Springs, North Carolina. For those that have heard of the Appalachian Trail, the Appalachian Trail runs right through the middle of Hot Springs. And that's the signification of the Appalachian Trail. This is the downtown Hot Springs area. There's Hot Springs City Hall. There's folks over there cleaning up. I do believe right here in this area was something. I may be wrong. I do remember walking down that sidewalk, and I do remember was hard to find parking in this little town. There were a lot of folks here. The famous Appalachian Trail is right down through the middle of this town. I'll show you a marker here. Since Interstate 40 has been washed out between North Carolina and Tennessee, a lot of traffic has been diverted through this little town. Big trucks can only come so far, but yet they're coming through this town like crazy. And I said just a few minutes ago about the Appalachian Trail. Here is a marker right here. You see where they have built back some of the embankment. This little creek here.
Check it out.
This is a campground, and they have done a lot of cleaning up, trying to get it back together so they can welcome campers once again. I see some campers back in the background there. We just received news that on February the 14th, 15th, and 16th, the Hot Springs Spa will be taking reservations. After 4 long months, they have 4 mineral baths that will be up and running, but this is very restricted and they require reservations by phone. And that is a very fortunate thing for this historic Hot Springs Spa. Well, that is going to do it for our return trip back to historic Hot Springs, North Carolina, after the western North Carolina floods. Looks a lot different than it did when I was here last. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.